Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. We're going to look at a Wi-Fi 2.4 gigahertz signal booster that I picked up a good many months back and haven't really messed with it. So I figured I'd do a little video on it. But you get this little jumper here with it. Then you also get a power supply. It's a 9 volt 1 amp 12 volt 1 amp power supply. And they send just a regular old generic Wi-Fi antenna with it. But this is the main deal here. This is a metal or aluminum type case. It's pretty heavy. It's nicely built. So has your male and female ends on it. There on the back to the antenna, to the AP. So, and the operating voltage is between 6 to 16 volts. The maximum output power is 36 dB, 4 watt. .64 QAM with a bandwidth of 20 megahertz. So transmission gain is 13 dB plus or minus. Receiving gain is 10 dB plus or minus 1. So as you can see here, we'll just show the specs here a little bit. But yeah, this is a nice little thing. I'll have to do another video on it or something, hooked up to the antenna, maybe hooked up to a Wi-Fi card. I think I did a video like that in the past on my channel somewhere, but it's been a while. But I can't totally remember. So other than that, I picked this up on Amazon. For what reason, I don't know. But figured I'd try it out and see what happens. So, but just thought I'd share this video. Like I said, this thing weighs pretty good. I mean, it is nicely made. It's got some screw mounts here to mount it in an application somewhere that you like. But it's been staying in the box that it came in because I haven't really used it. But it's like a $30 deal. And they also make one for 5.8 gigahertz Wi-Fi, so which is kind of interesting. But these are little LED lights here. So other than that, thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next one.